At Vism, our customers are our most valued asset, and your customers are no doubt equally valuable to you. FocalPoint Software gives you the tools you need to manage your customers' activity easily and efficiently. Within the Accounts Receivable menu, you will find the files to manage your customers and your salespeople. Within this menu, you can also take payments on a customer's accounts, create credit and debit adjustments to customer's account, and create service charges or finance charges for late accounts. This menu is also where you print or email statements to your customers and access many valuable reports to help you keep track of your customers and your customers' activity. Finally, within the AR menu, you can set up tax codes, terms codes, customer discounts, and this is also where you can merge customers together. The customer file has many fields and functionality to help you keep track of your customers. Along with the name, address, city, state, and zip, you also store up to 3 phone numbers and billing addresses which can be the same or different from the office address. You may also store up to 3 email addresses for any customer. Within this file, you also determine what the terms are for the customer, and you can set a limit of their available credit, which will be monitored during the rental and sale processes. You can also set a customer type to determine if they are cash only or are allowed to charge an account, and a customer designation to help you determine how your market is segmented. In the Additional Information tab, you will see your customer's driver's license if it has ever been scanned during a rental or sales transaction. You also store important tax information here and can determine if the customer is eligible for across-the-board discounts. If a customer has customized billing cycles, you can set them here. And you can also set other defaults that address whether or not this customer should be charged finance charges for late payments, whether or not the job numbers and PO numbers are required, whether or not they are charged a damage waiver, and how your customer prefers to receive statements. You can also track up to 3 kinds of insurance requirements and expiration dates and see their year-to-date and life-to-date historical figures. The Ship To tab in the customer file allows you to maintain Ship To addresses for this customer, and these addresses can be used while creating a rental or sales contract to help your counter personnel eliminate typing the same addresses over and over. The Additional Users tab allows you to set up names of people that are authorized to rent or buy on behalf of this customer. This is a great tool to eliminate questions once your customer has received your statement. The Invoices and Payments tab allows you to see open invoices, closed invoices, and unapplied payments for your customers. On each of these lines, you are able to drill down to see payment history on both open and closed invoices. The Counter Orders tab allows you to see open and closed orders, as well as credits and work order history for your customer. You can double-click on any order to see details of the order, preview an original version of the order, print the order, or email the order directly from this screen. Finally, the Customer Notes tab allows you to document all of the calls made to the customer and keep track of important conversations, commitments, callback dates, and the person responsible for making the callback. Because FocalPoint includes a fully functional accounts receivable package, invoices and payments on account are all tracked from within FocalPoint. Each time a front counter rental or sales order is closed and is not paid in full, an invoice is created in Accounts Receivable. Likewise, when your customer pays their outstanding invoices, FocalPoint offers 2 ways to make payments on account. One way is from the front counter area, where payments on account will be included in the front counter cash drawer reports. The other way is more of a batch payment function from the Accounts Receivable area. Applying previously unapplied payments, creating credit adjustments for write-offs and other AR-related decreases, and debit adjustments are all functions available within FocalPoint. The tools available within the Accounts Receivable menu have been carefully designed to give you the most control with as little effort as possible. We are confident that you will find the customer management tools within FocalPoint a helpful and powerful segment of your software requirements.